Hello guys, this is Bitcoin Dugout. Today we're going to talk about the latest chart with KlaytnCoin from Korea. For those of you who don't know what KlaytnCoin is, watch my other video on what is Klaytn. It's a Korean coin, South Korean coin, developed by KakaoTalk, the biggest Korean messenger service. And recently, it's been starting to go up. This is on Coin 1 Pro chart, Klay versus Korean won. All right, this is base Korean. 1,000 won is about equal to $1. So it's about 738, which is about 70 cents. All right. As you can see, based on Korean won, it's really taking off. And actually, it's we're hibernating for a while. And if you look at the long-term one-day chart here. Also, you can watch on TradingView. TradingView doesn't show you the won, and it's only on OKEX, which hasn't a lot of volume. But if you look in here, Klaytn is finally breaking out of its like 6-week downward trend, BTC value that is. Now the amazing thing is that it's actually breaking out along with BTC value, because BTC is still rising, and it's it's Klaytn is rising, and there's rumors going on that Klaytn is going to be listed on Binance on the 12th, which is literally 3 days from now. So that could happen. That's not a complete, there's no confirmation, but if you know anything about it, let me know. But if that is the case, that could be why a lot of insiders are buying it up. Because, I mean, face it, there's always going to be some kind of insiders who knows this information. But there's some rumors being spread on the chat boxes everywhere. And in a lot of KakaoTalk groups, there's a lot of groups that are talking about it. So right now, we've done about almost 30%, I think. Now the TradingView isn't available on this, so I don't know why TradingView is not adding the Coin 1. This exchange is a Korean exchange. So if you can get your hands on Klaytn, if you look at the weekly charts here, and this is just golden opportunity, because it's going up in value with BTC and also Korean won. And looking at the Korean won, the thing with Klaytn, another thing you have to think about, you have to look at the Korean won charts a little bit more, because with the Korean won chart, it's going to show you more of the market's sentiment. The reason is that Klaytn is not really being traded with BTC so much. Let's actually go look at here. The market is most popular is the won. You can see the pair. Due to that, this is really the biggest volume in. Oh my God! Look at that, 23 million on Coin 1. Coin 1 is basically where it's being traded. So it's not really being traded based on BTC, and that's, I think, the reason why it's not affected by recent BTC rise. It's really being traded with Korean won, more or less. Now once it goes to Binance, it's going to be affected more by the Bitcoin price and the Bitcoin dominance. For right now, it's really the South Koreans are buying it up, because this exchange, you can't, I believe you can't buy that much of it if you're a foreigner, but you can try to buy some if you want. So if you look at this chart, this chart here, it really went up a ton here at the Upbit exchange. This is like when they announced it's going to be on Upbit, I think, and then it went up a ton, and then it really slowed down, and it formed sort of a bottom here, and let me actually go, yeah, it did form bottom here. Sorry, this chart kind of sucks. We really need it on TradingView. So we've been just for last since August, so 5-6 months, it's just been slowing down. It's been forming this bottom. It did take a shoot up, and then it came back out. So it failed to really, it broke out, but it sort of failed and stayed on this trend line until this big 3 candles up. And this most likely, if hypothetically, it's gonna go to almost like 2,000 or 5,000 K. That's almost six times gain, 600% possibly. And if Binance is true, that number could be maybe 20,000, which is like almost $20. So it's very exciting times. Again, the Binance news is just rumors, but yeah, it's looking very interesting. But this has potential, Klay. Like I said, it's going up in BTC value, breaking out of the BTC value. And looking at the BTC value, there's two breakouts you got to look for. Now it does continue breaking out, and the next phase is the long-term trend from around September. If we can break out of this trend, break out of the second line, and also go above about 3,500 sats, we could potentially go back to the top here around 8,000 sats, satoshis. So I don't know. The thing looks good. Yeah, the metrics look good. Again, I mean, do your own research, but everything looks really good. And as far as the Klay coin, it's really being developed. There's about 5 or 6 coins. You can actually go on the KakaoTalk app and install Clip app, and it will show you the different tokens that are available, just like Ethereum when it's first started. And you remember Ethereum, just all the tokens just started, making Ethereum go up to 1,000 whatever back in 2017. So we're seeing the same thing with Klaytn. Now the mass adoption is going to be much quicker with Klaytn because it's going to be implemented. It's already integrated with KakaoTalk, the messenger app. You can already install the wallet. You can't do too much with it right now, but once this ball gets started, it's just going to go crazy. This is going to be the next Ethereum, all right? Because the Koreans already have the market. That's why it's crazy. And once Koreans can mass adopt it through their messenger app, which already has 50 million users or whatever, not 50 million, but pretty much 85% of the whole Korean population, which is about 50 million. Yeah, pretty much the whole population uses. I don't know anybody who doesn't use KakaoTalk. You use that for deliveries. You use that instead of messaging. Nobody messages. You use that for calling. Use that to pay for stuff. So very interesting times. I'll have on updates. But yeah, everything just looks really good for Klay. But of course, there's always going to be up and downs. If you do want to get into KlaytCoin, obviously the best times are on the dips, maybe 20, 30, 40% dips if there's any. So that's what you want to watch out for. But yeah, hopefully that Binance, the rumor becomes true. I mean, some people are saying it's not a rumor, so I'm not sure. So I'm just calling it a rumor. But have a great day. This is Bitcoin Dogo.